Do you know how to cold call probates? Well, if you don't, this is the perfect video for you. What's up, guys? Zach Ginn here, and in today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how to cold call probates the right way, and I'm even going to show you my live role play I had with a fellow wholesaler who's trying to learn exactly how to cold call probates the right way. So before we get into it, guys, before I share you all this amazing content, remember, you need to smash that like button and subscribe to get the most free value from me, and let's get in the clip.
Wow.
Hey, what's up, man? How are you?
I'm doing great, man. I'm blessed.
Nice. I'm excited, man. I'm excited.
Bro, I'm pumped up, man. You only get a certain amount of time on this earth, and you have to make it you have to make the most out of it. So I wake up in the morning I'm just so grateful for the opportunity to me to go help people out, go talk to people, and just experience life. You cannot be jacked up right now. Just be alive right now. You know, I mean, I got my eyes, I got my ears, I can walk, I can breathe. Guys, this is the time to change your life. I'm living my dream life. I put in the work, and I'm ready to change people's lives. So I'm always jacked up, man. So what's up? Give me the skinny. What's going on?
Well, I've been doing everything. I've been kind of following you along. I'm a realtor as well, so I'm kind of playing both fields. Anybody who wants to sell for retail value, I'm kind of trying to play it by ear and seeing if I can get both sides of it. If they want to go wholesale, if they want to do a quick closing, and if they don't want to do that and put it on the market, that's kind of my angle. I haven't gotten anything yet, but I got about 20 leads this month that I'm kind of doing follow-ups with.
Okay.
And 2 days ago, I got about 20 probates from Essex County, New Jersey.
Oh, all right.
I'll tell you this: it's kind of tough to get them there. They charge $3 a page.
Woo!
Yes. So, and it's about 2 records per page. So if you want to get like 200 or 100 leads, it's going to be like $150, $200. So
Bro,
what I did was we just write them down in a little notepad, and I was able to get 20.
That's awesome.
Or my
I
girl
would consider doing pre-probates also. At that point, it's probably worth doing.
How do you do that? Because I was going to pay for somebody today. They were going to charge me $1,000 for every 6 months. So I was wondering about that. What do you mean by pre-probate?
I mean, PropStream has it. Just go to freewholesaling.com. I kind of show you how to do it on PropStream. Pre-probates, or search pre-probate flip with Rick. It's usually on there. I just show you how to do it. You just pull it. You skip trace from these true people search if you want. You obviously have to pay for PropStream. That's just another thing. You got to pay $3 a page. I mean, sometimes you just consider linking. You don't have to, but
one day I'll try it just to see if it's a good return on the money, but because I don't think anybody else is going to pay it. So.
No. But then you can always search. Obituaries are great too. Really quick, Tamara says she has a probate lead, guys. There's a StreamYard link right here. Hop it on, get it going. So you're in Essex County. So what are you going to do? You want to call some probate leads?
Yeah, I'll give you a couple. I mean, I was calling them before, but I would love for you to see if you could get one on the line and how you would handle one. So that'd be great.
Got any kids, Ralph?
I do.
As I see behind you. You might have some.
You can see that. I got 2. I got a 7-year-old and a 4-year-old.
Beautiful, man. That's what it's all about.
They're playing some Roblox right now.
Oh, my gosh. All right, that one didn't work. So I left one voicemail. So basically the way I explain it is, let's see the last one, for example. Hey, is this the owner of 111 Eastville Avenue?
Yeah. Who's this?
Hey, this is Zach. Is this a good time to talk?
What's this about?
Hey, I was just seeing if you were interested in selling that property.
How much?
Well, it really depends. I mean, kind of like a car. I kind of have to look at the property and see the condition of it. I mean, can you tell me a little bit about the condition of the house?
I don't really know much about it. It's out of state.
Oh, okay. Where are you out of?
I'm in Florida.
We're in Florida.
Tampa.
Tampa. Oh my gosh, Tampa is beautiful. My sister actually went to college in Tampa, so Great city, great place. I'm actually kind of east. I'm in Port St. Lucie, but uh, so you're the owner of a property outside there. I mean, why are you all the way up in New Jersey? It seems cold.
Someone I know kind of passed, and yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry to hear that. So are you actually the owner of the property? Is this going through a probate? What's sort of the situation with that? I'm really sorry to hear that.
We're putting it through the process, and hasn't finalized yet.
Oh, okay. Okay. So what is your, like, are you, is this your mother? Is this your father who unfortunately passed away for you?
This was my dad.
This is your dad. So were you the only heir to the property?
I am the oldest. Yeah.
Okay. So you're the oldest. So is there other children, brothers, sisters you have that uh, are with the estate also?
No, he didn't. He didn't leave it to them. They're too young.
Okay. So it left only to you.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, basically, all we can really do is I'm not the biggest expert on New Jersey because I have some partners in there. I got my partner Ralph. He's actually in New Jersey. He's in Essex County, and he kind of deals with everything. I look at the property. I talk to the people. I'm more the people person. He's kind of the person that go out there, look at you, look at the property, look at everything, and he'll buy it. But if you're okay, I'd ask you a couple questions, and then I'll probably have Ralph reach out to you and sort of get some more information about it. He's the local guy, so he'll know more about how to help you out with everything. But I mean, what is the condition of it? You said you didn't really know, but was
Well,
this something that's really nice?
he used to live in it. Always took care of it, so I'm pretty sure it's in good condition.
Okay, perfect. So, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to get your information here. I'm going to have Ralph give you a call back. Are you a morning person or an evening person?
I work in the mornings, so
Work in the morning.
you
So
probably catch me in the afternoon, evening.
okay, so I'm going to have Ralph. He'll give you a call back around like 5:36. So maybe his kids might be running around or something, feeding him dinner, but he'll give you a call back and get some information and see what we can do to help you guys out. But really, we close fast. It's all cash. I mean, I don't really have to explain. We're just looking to buy some more properties. So if that's something you'd be looking to do, we'd love to give you a call.
Potentially, man. Potentially.
All right. Thanks. Appreciate it.
Yeah, that's good. That's
I'm not the expert in cold calling. I've never said that. I just do it. That's how I have results. I just do it. Really, I make it really simple. Again, I'm calling like I'm a VA because my VAs call probates. Hey, Zach, or hey, my acquisitions person. They're going to be the one that's going to give you the call back. Al's going to give you a call back. So I kind of put in that situation. If you can do, it's just you're the one calling.
So
go ahead.
Hey, no, I didn't want to cut you off. I actually have I have the opportunity to have a VA right now. She's actually making calls as we speak, but she's
awesome.
calling high equity.
Okay.
Not really a lot of results. I got like 24 leads. I'm following up, calling them. A lot of them want like retail, so I'm trying to figure out how to. When you follow up, do you call the people that are like almost like not really leads? I don't know if that makes sense.
No, I understand what you're talking about there. Follow-ups are the people that are actually qualified leads. They were at one point looking to sell the property. I'll do an entire just cold calling a list. If someone's not interested, they're not a lead. But I'll keep calling them every single, probably 4 times a year to see if I get a deal from it.
And so, like, let's say, for example, I got a lead here in Philly.
Okay.
It makes the rentals are pretty good. Makes about $2,500 a month gross. They want like 350K. The comps are like 520, 380. So it's not bad. Right there and then, Philly for me is like about an hour and 15 minutes away. Would you just try to lock it in at like a 70% and then just kind of say it's 1,000 square foot? So like, let's just say 50K and see if they go for it. Or would you say, you know what, I'll take the appointment and go like an hour or 15 minutes away?
70% is hard to like calculate because
Right.
You're at 380. I mean, think about it. Like you're at 3.
The comps are like really weird.
Yeah, that's a lot of play. Like Jacksonville's kind of like that too. 380 at 70%. That's 266. And if the thing sold for, let's say, 350, you'd make 90K. I mean, I would love to make $90,000. I'm not going to, right?
Yeah.
So that's the situation with 70%. Now, if you could make, let's say, 20 on it, would you be upset about that?
No, no.
No. And then what's 20 of 350? That's a 10% discount. When you're going at the bigger price points, especially over 300, the 7% rule is stupid. It's absolutely stupid.
Oh,
Let's say we're dealing with a $400,000 house and a cash buyer will pay $400K for it, okay? And I get a 4% discount. I'm making $16K. I'm not mad about that, right?
Oh,
So
I
percentages
see.
don't make sense, man. I would go after the comps, get under contract for the lowest price possible, then bring it to my cash buyer.
Okay. That kind of just opened the door a little bit, because I was thinking they bought like that low. I'm like, wow.
I wish, man. I'll be honest with you, man. If everyone did that, everyone would maybe be making $90,000, $100,000 wholesales, and they're just not. Okay, no.
Gotcha.
They're showing checks for $5,000 to $6,000. They don't practice what they preach.
Well, man, that's really good. I appreciate it. I definitely will be on, hopefully, when I get something under contract, brother.
Sweet, Ralph. I appreciate it, man. Keep it up. If I get any callbacks, I'll look at it and I'll personally call it and then give your info. If you can do me a favor and DM me your email, and I can give those back to you. Or I don't have to call them at all. You just let me know.
Where at? In Facebook or?
Email support@flipwithwork.com.
You got it, brother.
All right. Appreciate it, Ralph. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching that video today. If you want more free value for wholesaling real estate, remember to smash that like button and subscribe. Guys, if you want to join the best wholesaling real estate mentorship in the planet and join the wholesaling course that has the most people in it in the history of the world for wholesaling real estate, go to freewholesaling.com. It's free. There's no gimmicks. There's no upsells in this course. It is an absolute free wholesaling course. I've been told to charge thousands and thousands of dollars for it. I give it out for free. So like this video and subscribe. Join the movement for wholesaling real estate and go to freewholesaling.com and join my Wholesaling Houses for Real Facebook group. That is the largest mastermind in the country of like-minded wholesaling entrepreneurs who want to get connected absolutely for free and learn wholesaling real estate. Guys, I'll hope to see you there. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a blessed one.